Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find software update, and now let's simply tap on download and install. As you can see, your device will check for the updates, that's why we needed the internet connection, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, so that's okay. And the second scenario is where your device will show you the information about the new update. It will show you the info about what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.